you are an M Suite CRM customer or you're using another high-level based system and you want to send a message, a text message in particular, to one of your contacts, we're going to show you exactly how to do that. If you just came from our how to make a phone call video, then this is going to be the continuation, and you're going to notice we have an auto text that's fired in the meantime. We'll talk about that automation in a bit, but if you're new to this video, if you just want to know how to send a text, we are going to dive right in. So in our account here, we're going to start directly on a contact. Here we've got our example, Casey Morgan, who is with Dunder Mifflin. So we've already got a phone number plugged in. That's our main line. If you've got questions, 586-519-5740, please give us a call. We're here to help. Now, what we're going to do is set up a couple of key features. There's some assumptions that have to be made prior to sending a text. Number one, we need to have a contact created. Here we've got our example, Casey. Number two, we do have to have a phone number that we've previously set up. If you're not sure how to do that, or if you're not sure that you do, please watch our video on getting your phone and SMS set up. Those are going to be precursors. Now, the second component of the phone being set up is to send a text. You will have to be A2P verified. You'll be able to see that if you go into settings on the bottom left and phone numbers, you will see under Trust Center, if you've got the double green check mark, you're good to send a text. If not, we're going to have a video that's going to help you do that. You can go back to our how to set up your phone number for the quick tutorial, or stay tuned for future videos where we will go in depth with the A2P registration. No worries, if you don't see that, if you need a little more help, give us a call, 586-519-5740, and we will be happy to help you out. Whether you're a current, future, or not a M Suite CRM powered by Make You Growth customer, we're here to help you. So let's go ahead and send a message. Again, our understanding, we have a contact, we have a from number that's already set up and ready to go. It's been A2P certified. And then we've got the to number, which populates from the contact. Now here, if the contact has multiple phone numbers, they will show here, and you can go ahead and select which number you'd like to send your message out to. If you have multiple numbers registered internally to your system, likewise, you can select which number you'd like to send it from. So we're going to go ahead and send this from our YouTube phone number, and then this sample contact we've gone ahead and set up with our main line number. So all we want to do is make sure we're on SMS. Our from number is the number we would like to text from. Our to is the correct number we'd like our contact to receive the message from. And then we can go ahead and say, hi there. It's M Suite CRM. We can go ahead and hit send. Big blue button on the bottom right. You can also hit enter for the quick key. Now what will happen then is this message is going to go out. We'll know that it's delivered. If it's not delivered, we'll get a red failure notification, and this message is now sent. Now there's a couple of other messages types that we can send to a contact, so I want to walk through those very quickly here. We can insert a snippet, which is a preset form of text. So for example, if we do a lot of congratulations, thank you so much for buying, welcome to the family, we're so happy to be working together, any of those types of messages, you can save those in as a snippet, and it's basically just a quick text that you can drop right in, almost like a template. We call them snippets. The other thing that you can add is to attach a file, and these are all on the bottom left here of the SMS settings. You can attach a file. So this is great if you want to send a client a PDF, maybe a copy of some scanned in notes. If you have a one-pager, maybe some sales collateral you want to send to them, you can go ahead and attach a file. If you like to message with emojis, we can also do that here. They are going to look like the Android emojis. So not all of your symbols will be here, but say, for example, we wanted to send 10x. We would just do the 1, the 0. I know if you're an iPhone user, you can just do a 10. Here we don't have that option, so it's okay. And then the X, we really don't have that choice in red like I like to do, but we can do it in purple. So I can go ahead and send out a nice 10x. Now, you can, of course, send any of the emojis that you like to choose from. If you want to request a payment, we can also do that through here. So we're going to go ahead and select a product, put in a payment place. If we have any discounts or taxes that we need to add, we can include that. We can put in an invoice test, and then we can go ahead and hit live. It's going to automatically generate a payment link. When you hit copy link and mark sent, it's going to mark the invoice as sent immediately. So it's up to you then to then paste in the invoice link, go ahead and hit send. Now the other piece here, more, you're probably wondering, well, I can't send an image or a video. Yes, you can. It is under more. So you can go ahead down here and add videos and messages. Now the other piece you can do is you can customize. If you want to use contact name, this is really great for setting up snippets. So we can do contact first name, congrats, welcome to the family. That way when you plug in the snippet, we don't have to type in their name each and every time. So there's a lot of customization we can do there. On the desktop version, videos and images, you would use attach file. On the app, there's going to be a separate spot where you can actually, using the app, film or take a photo and then send it direct through. We'll have a full tutorial on the app later, but for now, that is how you send a text. One other point I want to note here is any replies are going to come inbound on the left-hand side in the gray. Any outbound messages on the right-hand side are on the blue. So in this example, we did a test call out from our YouTube number to our main line, and our main line has an automatic response on a missed call. So that's what you're seeing here is the main line automatically replying saying, we missed your call. How can we help you? And then on the blue here, these are our two test messages that we went ahead and sent together just now. So keep watching. We're going to have more information. And up next, we're going to talk about your voicemail settings so that when someone calls you and you happen to miss it, what happens so that they know they reached out to the right place. Talk soon.